Hello everyone, followers and those who are not our followers yet. If you're not yet our follower, I really recommend you to subscribe to our channel if you have an idea to become consistently profitable trader. We post a lot of useful content for beginners and for professionals as well. Anya, how much do you risk per trade? This question I'm getting all the time from my followers. Or how much should I risk in the beginning of my career? The first one doesn't really have any sense. Even if I tell you my dollar amount of risk per trade, what is it gonna tell you? Really nothing. It all depends of account size, of my position size, of my risk tolerance, of my strategy, trading style, and other information. So this dollar amount really doesn't mean anything. How much should you risk in the beginning of your career? This is a very right question, and the answer is nothing. Really nothing. You don't have to risk real money in the beginning of your career. Because why I and other traders really risking their money? To make money, right? This is so obvious. So we're risking our money to make money. But what the chance to make money when you're a beginner? Really zero, until you're very lucky. And even if you are very lucky, I better recommend you to go to Las Vegas and gamble there, because I think the chance to make money there higher than in day trading in the beginning of your career. And even if you lose, at least you're gonna have some fun, right? Fail rate is very high. You can Google it. 97% beginners day traders losing their account in the first year of day trading. And the answer is above, because most of the people, this 97% jumping in the market with real money in a real account in a real environment without zero knowledges, without any education, without any understanding what market is, what day trading is, just hoping to catch this luck and become rich fast. And I wasn't that bold. Really, I wasn't that bold, and I paid for it. I paid my money, I paid a lot of time, and I paid a lot of pain I went through. Your first steps in day trading should be proper education and simulator or paper money. And this is all investment you need in the beginning. Proper education, proper platform with access to real market for your execution, for practicing your execution, for practicing your trading. And what very important, that this investment most likely will bring you a good return in your future. I really recommend you to stick with simulator until you reach your consistency. What does it mean? It means that in average you week by week green, month by month green, you're profitable, you're consistent. And consistency doesn't mean that you caught some great trade and made $5,000 and then you lost like 20 trades in a row and lost like $200 in each, so you $4,000 loss, 5,000 profit, and you kind of green. But it's not about consistency. Consistency is when you following the same strategy, the same action, and it's showing you consistent result in average. Basically, that's very important. In the beginning, you have to learn the strategy, you have to prove the strategy, you have to backtest the strategy, and you have to master your execution with your practice. You can't master it like in a day or two. You really need few months at least to master the execution, the screen time, this actual actions. But the same question, how much should I risk on simulator? And this question is very important too. You should risk exactly same amount as you're going to risk on your real account in your future. And I really recommend this amount should be very small, as small as $5 or $10, no more. Why? Because while you will be ready to make this transition from simulator to real account, the environment should be as similar as possible, as like it should be the same numbers, percentage, amount, like everything, so your eyes, your brain don't really notice the difference. Because anyway, while you're going to make this transition from simulator to real account, you're going to feel that emotional psychological pressure. There is no one trader who haven't gone gone through it. Psychology is everything on trading as well. Instinctive fear of losing. This is something that you're going to experience while you make this transition to real account. And to make it smooth, we should make this transition as more similar as possible to the process we used to execute on simulator. To scale up the risk, it's not really a problem. As soon as you again prove your consistency already in a real account, you can scale up your risk very, very fast. And you already can risk that house money, the profit that you already made. You don't need to risk your capital. And remember, if you're able to make $10 consistently, one day you will be able to make $1,000 consistently. I'm on my way. I'm not making $1,000 consistently yet, but and even inconsistently, I'm not risking that much money to be even able to make that money. But I'm going and making these steps every day. No rush, patience and discipline. Day trading is all about patience and discipline. If you stay long enough in day trading, you're going to make it. You are going to make it. You have to go through this process to be able to make it. Put a like on this video, leave your comment and subscribe to our channel. And on my next video, I want to share with you how I'm scaling up my risk, how to do it in a proper way, how not to actually blow up your account in the first year of trading, what is a broker risk control, how we can use hotkey to protect our capital. It's okay not to make money. Not okay is to lose our capital. Number one, we have to protect our capital, and my next video is going to be about it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you soon.